Good morning, friends. In today's lecture, also we are going to start with the as we had started second chapter, that is sources of finance of secretarial practice. In this session, also we are going to continue with the types of share capital. In previous session, we had seen the equity share capital. In equity share capital, we understood it is a basic source of finance for any business organization, any company form of organization, which may be a private company or public company. In equity shares, whatever the features that equity shares have, we understood in previous sessions. Uh, but we are going to recall that, recapitulate that features in a quick uh, run. We'll see first. The first is a while equity share capital is raised, it is at the initial stage of any business organization. So first of all, see, it is a first feature is risk capital. When any business in any form of organization, when equity share of capital is raised, at that time the person who is holding the shares, equity shares, is taking the risk, because there is no chance, no any, we can see, in the future it may happen they will not get dividend, or they may not get capital back, because the preference for paying them for repayment of capital and for payment of dividend also is a least preference at the last preference they have got. So that it is a risk capital. Number two, while giving this capital, the equity shareholders are taking risk so that they have the voting power in the management of the company. So voting power is the second feature. Third feature is their it is a permanent capital. Equity capital is what? Permanent capital, because for lifespan of the company, the in the management, the equity shareholders are involved, as well as they can vote at the meetings. They have the rights over to earn more profit, more dividend in the form of in the more dividend they will get in the out of the profit of the firm, profit of the company. So that they are getting what? A permanent capital. The firm is also, company is also getting permanent capital, because at the end of the company only the equity capital is returned. So you know that it, the capital, this equity capital is also transferable. Equity share equity shares are transferred from one person to another person, not capital, but equity shares are transferable from one person to another person, that the person can sell his shares to another person, his, by the permission of company, or the through the stock exchange they can sell the shares to the another person, as it is mentioned in the articles of association and memorandum of association of the company. So according to that sections, the company can, the firm, the equity shareholders can transfer their shares. So transferability is one of the important features. Then return is in the form of dividend. As you know, the shareholders get dividend on their capital, whatever they have provided, whatever the shares they have subscribed from the firm, from the company, they have to give, the company have to give to them what? Dividend in the form of income to the shareholders. So shareholders income is what? Dividend. So the return on their income, their capital is the only dividend. So another one important line I want to tell you, that the dividend is given out of the profit of the company. So if the profit of the company if the profit of the company is more, at that time the equity shareholders can gain more dividend, at the more rate of dividend they can get, whatever the amount of dividend they have, amount of shares they have purchased from the company. So this is one of the important feature, that rate of dividend is fluctuating, it is not fixed. So fluctuating rate of dividend is one of the important feature of equity shareholders. In case of preferentials, that what we are going to start today, there is a fixed rate of dividend. That's why it is a different one, equity capital. We had also seen the definition of equity shares, equity shareholders, whatever they have rights, that we had seen in a another feature. They have voting rights, they have rights over the management of the company, that they can give their opinions while taking the decisions of the company. They can attend the meetings. Like that, rights are provided because they have given the permanent capital to the company. So that it is one of the important form of capital for any business organization, any company, which is called as equity share capital. Now today's point is preference shares or preference share capital. First of all, understand what is the preference share capital. What is the preference shares firstly? Preference shares means those shares which are having preference, as name suggests, which are having preference over getting the dividend, preference to get what, dividend from the company to the preference shareholders at first preference. Okay, so the first thing is what, getting dividend. Second thing is in getting the preference, in getting the capital at the time of liquidation और वाइंडिंग अप ऑफ द कंपनी. मतलब कंपनी जब बंद हो जाता है, क्लोज डाउन होता है, शट डाउन होता है, एट दैट टाइम while getting the capital back, share capital of that shareholders, they will get back it because they have invested in the company. When winding up is there, a liquidation is there, the company wants to give all liabilities of the company. So whatever the outsiders liability they have, that have to be paid, and after that first preference to whom, preference shareholder, so that they are getting preference in getting what, in two things. First is the dividend, and second is the getting capital at the time of repayment of capital at the time of liquidation of the company. So this is one of the so this is what you are meaning also, preference shares. The preference shares are those shares which are having preference in getting dividend, and also preference in the getting return capital at the time of liquidation. So that type of capital is known as what, preference share capital. Under this preference share capital, there are some features which are different from equity shares. Equity shares is a nominal value is 10 rupees. Here it is 100 rupees. So value of these shares start from 100. And the preference capital is a not long life capital. It is certainly redeemed after 20 years. A maximum 20 years, the preference shareholder can hold his shares in the company. After that, they are automatically redeemed by the company. They have to pay back that amount of capital. So that extra information just I have given. Next is a preference for dividend. It is one of the features that we are going to see in these features. Number one, what, preference for dividend. The company's preference shareholders get preference while getting dividend. While getting what, dividend, while distribution of dividend, the preference shareholders amount of dividend firstly paid off. Then number two, repayment of capital. The capital of the company, whatever at the time of liquidation, if the company wants to shut down and start a new project, so that time company have to sell off all his assets. Company's assets are sell out, and firstly paying off the liabilities of the company, which are shown on the liability side, that creditors, bills payable, third party liabilities, any loans are there, bank loan, वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह, that are paid. And after that they were thinking about the paying of capital of the members, shareholders. So shareholders capital, in that two shareholders are there, equity shareholders and preference shareholders mainly. Okay. So while paying off this share capital, either equity shareholder or preference shareholder first. So preference shareholder is the first in a payment repayment of capital, so that they are getting preference over getting back the capital. Same we had seen in the definition, okay, or meaning of the preference shares. So it is also feature of preference shares. Number three, fix the return. Number three is what? Fix the return. The return for getting, or return is in the form of what? Dividend. Every shareholder gets what? Dividend. They doesn't get interest. They get what? Dividend. Okay. So while getting this dividend, they were firstly preferred, and also thing is that their return and in the form of dividend is fixed. Is what? Fixed. So at the fixed rate of dividend they were getting as a return. उनको जो रिटर्न दिया जाता है प्रेफरेंस शेयर होल्डर को, वो फिक्स रेट से होता है. फिक्स द रेट ऑफ रिटर्न, फिक्स द रेट ऑफ डिविडेंड इज देयर. So they were firstly paid, and they were also what? Getting dividend at a fixed rate of dividend. So fixed return is there. So they are safe. They are what? Safe. So equity capital is risk capital. Preference capital is what? Safe capital. Next, number three, nature of capital. कैसा होता है नेचर ऑफ कैपिटल? इज अ सेफ कैपिटल, secured capital. Because if they are getting fixed rate of dividend and priorly paid by the company is bound to pay to them, so that the company doesn't cannot keep their liability of the preference shareholders liability, they cannot keep it. So that's why it is a secured capital. Nature of capital is how? Secured capital. And the person who are investing in the preference share are of generally conservative nature, or they were thinking about what? That the safe capital is or the safe amount is in the secured hands, or in the secured investment they were preferring. And that's why in this type of capital it is a secured capital. So preference shareholders are the securely want to invest in the preference share. Next is the market value. As I said to you that 10 rupees 10 is the nominal value of equity shares. Above that they can sell, but it is a market value. Generally, face value is what particular value of that equity shares which is mentioned on the share certificate. Same wise, here is also nominal value or face value of that preference shares is minimum 100 rupees, not less than that. So 100 rupees is the their what market value. It may goes down, उसकी value कम हो सकती है, but the preference shareholders value is a generally preference shares value is generally what? 100. Face value is 100, nominal value is 100, and market value is along with that according to the changes as per the demand and supply, or the market external situations, or any other situation, the shares value will be goes and up and down. So accordingly the value may be changing. The market value changes, but generally value of these preference shares is more than, mark this, the preference shares value is more than equity shares value. Next is voting rights. Next is what? Voting rights. You might cannot see this. Voting rights. Voting rights for preference shareholders are not given. They cannot vote in the meetings. As you know, the uh, equity shareholders can vote in the meetings. Voting rights. The equity shareholders can vote in the meetings, but preference shareholders cannot vote in the meetings unless unless The matter of the meeting or discussion point of the meeting or agenda of the meeting is regarding to the interest of preferential holder. अगर उनके संबंधित कोई भी मैटर डिस्कस किया जा रहा है, एजेंडा में इंक्लूडेड है, एट दैट टाइम दे कैन हैव द वोटिंग राइट एट द टाइम ऑफ मीटिंग. Otherwise, they were not invited at these meetings. They cannot attend this meeting. They are not having right to vote at the meeting. So, voting right is one of the important feature that they cannot vote as they were not. They are not providing you permanent capital. They are not compromising in getting dividend. फिक्स रेट ऑफ डिविडेंड होने चाहिए. और एक चीज ऐसा भी होता है कि डिविडेंड मिलना है तो मिलना ही है, उनको प्रेफरेंस शेयर होल्डर्स को फिक्स रेट से डिविडेंड पे करना ही है. अगर पे नहीं किया, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि एक साल में लॉस हुआ है तो भी प्रेफरेंस शेयर होल्डर्स नहीं मांगेंगे कि हमें इस साल का डिविडेंड नहीं मिला तो भी चलेगा, ऐसा होता नहीं है. इन सर्टन केसेस द इन सर्टन केसेस इट इज पोस्टपोन्ड. डिविडेंड पोस्टपोन किया जा सकता है, बट दे डजंट वेव देयर राइट्स टू गेट द डिविडेंड. उनको डिविडेंड मिलना ही है, सो दैट they are not interested, they are not giving their capital or not waiving their income. So that so that the preference shareholders have not right to participate in the management, so their rights of voting are taken off. Then next is a risk. As I said, they are not providing capital for a long life. It is not permanent capital. It is a temporary capital for, as I said, for more than 10 to 5 to 10 years or 20 years. Not more than that. They can invest in the company's preference shares. So they are having less risk. One thing is that they are having less risk. They are secured. Their capital will get firstly paid back at the time of winding up of the company. So they are secured. Another thing is that they are getting dividend at a fixed rate of return, fixed the rate of dividend, so that their income is also fixed. So if the company may suffer from losses, but they will get what? A dividend. उनको लॉस होता है कंपनी को, उनसे कुछ उस शेयर होल्डर को, प्रेफरेंस शेयर होल्डर को कुछ लेन देन नहीं है. एज ही हैज डिसाइडेड टू टेक डिविडेंड at a regular intervals, so they will get the dividend, and the company will have to pay off their dividend. So risk at the side of preference shareholders is a zero. They are getting the dividend, fixed rate dividend, not fluctuating. Whether company is suffering from losses, they not accept less dividend. कम प्रॉफिट होता है तो कम डिविडेंड भी नहीं चलेगा, फिक्स रेट से डिविडेंड है. दैट्स वाई दे आर नॉट having any risk. It is a safe, no risk is one of the important feature of preference shares. Next is a face value. As I said, face value of these share is what? 100 rupees. मार्केट वैल्यू फ्लक्चुएट होते रहेगा, मार्केट वैल्यू ज्यादा भी होता है कम भी होता है, बट फेस वैल्यू एज आई सेड टू यू इट इज अ 100 rupees. 100 rupees, not less than that can be decided. Okay. Next is what? Rights share और राइट इशू. हम इसे क्या बोलते हैं? राइट इशू और बोनस इशू. ये दोनों चीजें, ये दोनों फीचर्स ने कहा देखे थे इक्विटी शेयर कैपिटल में. दैट राइट इशू और बोनस शेयर्स का इशू जो होता है, एट दैट टाइम इक्विटी शेयर होल्डर्स आर फर्स्ट आस्क्ड for what? Right shares or bonus shares. But the preference shareholders will not be asked for any bonus shares or right issue at the right issue of the shares. Yes, if it is happened according to the some sections which are mentioned in the Companies Act 2013, if it is equity shareholders doesn't accept any shares, bonus shares or right issue. Right issue they doesn't accept. At that time, preference shareholders can accept the right shares, or they can get more shares at the nominal value. So that is right issue. Preference is also provided to equity shareholders, not to the preference shareholders. So this is one of the important feature, which is in the benefit of what equity shares. Next is a nature of investor. Nature of investor. Investors' nature is a conservative nature. They are like to invest in the safe investment where they can earn income, fixed rate of income. They doesn't want to earn a huge profit or huge income in the form of dividend. That's why preference shareholders are the that type of investors which are in safe form. So they are investing safely in these shares, preference shares. Their nature is conservative, can be called as conservative, or they want to play safe. That's why the nature of capital is what? Secured. Investors' nature is what? uh, Conservative. Like that, these were the features of the preference shareholders. The point of types we are going to see in the upcoming lectures. In this lecture, we had seen only features and meaning of preference shares. Beside that, I want to discuss some of the distinction point in equity shares and preference shares, because that is important question for every time, that what is the difference between equity and preference shares. It is risk capital. First of all, risk capital. It is not risk capital, it is a secured capital. Rate of dividend is fluctuating for equity shareholders. Rate of dividend is fixed for preference shareholders. In the repayment, in the repayment, in the repayment of capital, the first preference in a repayment of what? Capital. Not last preference, we can say last preference, or it is not called as preference actually. Okay, last sequence, last rank provided to equity shareholders in repayment of capital. Then it is a permanent capital. It is what? Permanent capital, not permanent capital. नॉट परमानेंट कैपिटल, ये परमानेंट नहीं है इनका। जैसे मैंने टाइम स्पेन बताया आपको, आप गूगल पे सर्च कर सकते हो। द टाइम स्पेन इज 20 years. इट इज नॉट मेंशन इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक फॉर एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन दैट आई हैव गिवन। हाँ, कुछ कंपनीज इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर वगैरह के प्रोजेक्ट को जो सपोर्ट करती है, उनके लिए वो टाइम स्पेन 20 to 30 years तक बढ़ाया है। पर generally the preference shareholders can be redeemed after before the 20 years or on 20 years। जब 20 years खत्म होंगे तभी उनको रिडीम किया जा सकता है। रिडीम किया जाना मतलब क्या, कि उनका पैसों में कन्वर्जन हो जाता है और वो पैसे किसे दिए जाते हैं? दैट इन्वेस्टर को। इसके अलावा रिडीम्शन के 2-3 ऑप्शन और है, वो मैं आपको बाद में डिस्कस कर लूंगा। These are the 4 points. Beside that, rate of dividend is there, risk capital is there. Okay. Uh, Whatever next is a permanent capital and not permanent capital. Then we can see the features. In the features, here types are two types होते हैं। Here types are 8 that we can mention. In the next lecture I'm going to discuss these types. Okay, so preference shareholders are having 8 types in their subtypes in the head of preference share capital. Okay, for time span, remember these point of difference. Beside these, because of some less time or time is over, so that remaining points I will discuss later on. Till then, have a look at the textbook also. Read more reference book for the information. In the next lecture, we are going to see these difference points again, and we will recall the remaining things about the preference shareholders. Thank you for watching this video.